Hi guys, welcome to visit our factory. Terra Crystal is a manufacturer specializing in the production, fabrication, and design of crystal crafts. With over a decade of experience, thousands of products, and the ability to customize a wide range of crystal crafts. Products include crystal carved animals, home ornaments, perfume bottle caps, etc. Terra Crystal provide unmatched competence in production, service, and customization as a top crystal craft producer. From raw stone procurement to finished product delivery, we strictly control quality. And it is carved into exquisite crystal crafts, according to customer requirements. As a result of further strengthening and expanding its capabilities, Terra Crystal has become a go-to supplier for numerous companies.